We're here at Innovative Car Sound with a brand new 2016 Z71 Chevy Silverado 2500. Remote start alarm, quarter-mile pager, lock, unlock. Flashing LED light up on the top of the glass. For the remote start, we hit the start key. Now this one's a diesel, so when you hit the remote start, the parking lights and the ignition kicks in, but it'll hold 20 seconds before it cranks the engine. That gives the glow plugs a chance to fire up, and then it'll crank the engine, turn it over, and be good to go. The engine will run for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it'll shut down. Remote start alarm, quarter-mile pager, available for gas and diesel engines. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.